Credit cards are the most misunderstood financial tool in existence. People think they're either the devil or a golden ticket to free money. The truth is somewhere in between. Today we're breaking down exactly what credit card companies don't want you to know, and how to use credit cards the way wealthy people do. By the end of this video, you'll understand why credit cards are simultaneously a powerful wealth-building tool and a dangerous debt trap. The difference comes down to one simple thing: discipline. Credit card companies spend billions convincing you that credit cards are free money. Buy now, pay later. Earn rewards. Get cash back. It sounds amazing. But here's what they don't tell you: that if you carry a balance, the free money costs you 20 to 25% interest per year. The average American has over $6,000 in credit card debt. That person is paying $1,200 per year just in interest. That's $1,200 that builds zero wealth. It just goes to the bank. This is how credit card companies make their real money, not from rewards, but from people paying interest. A credit card is a loan. Every time you swipe, you're borrowing money from the bank. You get a bill 30 days later. If you pay the full balance, you owe nothing extra. You just use their money for free for 30 days. If you don't pay it all, the remaining balance gets charged interest. Here's where people mess up. They think the minimum payment is fine. Paying minimums on a $6,000 balance at 20% interest takes 3 years and costs you over $2,000 in interest. Same debt, but you just paid an extra $2,000 for the privilege of paying slowly. Despite the dangers, wealthy people actually use credit cards more than broke people. Not because they're reckless, because they understand the real benefit. Credit cards build your credit score. Your credit score determines what interest rates you get on mortgages, car loans, and business loans. A difference of 1% on a $300,000 mortgage costs you $100,000 over 30 years. Wealthy people also use rewards. If you spend $2,000 a month and get 2% cash back, that's $480 per year free money, but only if you pay the full balance every month. If you carry a balance and pay 20% interest, you just lost $400. The rewards don't matter. Here's how credit card companies hook you. They raise your credit limit. You think you have more money to spend. You spend it. Now you're in debt. Next month they raise it again. Before you know it, you're $15,000 in debt thinking it was free money. This is how an entire generation got broke. Credit cards made it too easy to spend money they didn't have. The solution isn't to avoid credit cards, it's to use them like debit cards. Rule number 1, only spend money you already have. If you don't have $500 in your bank account, don't put $500 on your credit card. Treat the credit card exactly like a debit card. The only difference is you get 30 days to pay and earn rewards. Rule number 2, pay the full balance every single month, not the minimum, the full balance. If you can't do this, cut up the credit card. Use a debit card instead. There's no shame in that. A debit card won't build your credit score, but it also won't destroy your wealth. Rule number 3, pick the right card. If you spend $2,000 a month, a 2% cash back card gives you $480 per year. A card with an annual fee costs you money. Do the math. Some people overpay $100 per year on annual fees trying to get rewards that don't add up. Here's what credit card companies really don't want you to know. They make money from people who carry balances. If everyone paid their full balance every month, credit card companies would make way less money. So they design their marketing to encourage spending you can't afford. The wealthy know this. They use credit cards as a tool, not as free money. They get the benefits, rewards, credit building, purchase protection without paying a dime in interest. If you have credit card debt, stop using them immediately. Cut them up if you have to. Use a debit card and focus on paying down that debt. Once it's gone, you can use credit cards the right way as a tool, not a crutch. If you don't have credit card debt, use them smartly. Spend money you already have. Pay the full balance every month. Earn your rewards guilt-free. Credit cards aren't bad. Discipline is just required. Most people don't have it, which is why credit card companies are so profitable. If this video helped you understand credit cards better, subscribe to leverage your money. Every week we break down exactly how to grow, protect, and leverage your money so you never fall into the debt trap. Drop a comment below. Have you ever been caught in credit card debt? See you in the next video.